Hi guys, today we're going to be reacting to his shorts. Now let's go.
Sorry, I gotta silence some of them because I don't want to get copyright striked.
This is really good. Now let's look at this one. Kind of relationships. What do you think it meant? About... Oh no, not one of these. God, please praise. Them drawings are brilliant. Approved. 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 Oh, damn. I don't know. Great argument. Approved. No. Damn, that looks scary. Tactic. Ribbit. Jax, no. I agree, Jonathan, I agree. You know, I actually agree on that one. You don't need to reconnect it or something like that. That does look cool. Gotta be honest. There's a myth that Pomni is Ribbit. Sorry, I gotta silence these parts so I don't get copyright striked. His animating is brilliant! Guys, his shorts get deleted tomorrow, so watch these while you can, or, well, record it for a video. Pomni! This looks brilliant.
Oh, not Spider-Man! Oh my, yeah, I'm gonna because I don't like Roblox anymore. You know what? I'm gonna comment on this. Same, bro, same. No, Jonathan, please, no. Ooh, a new game. Clickbait game, not real, fake. Nice dance. Can this meme die already? It's the fish head again. What is this? A normal day, huh? He did not just steal brain rats. Okay, sometimes I play this, but rarely. I'm not really a fan of brain rot. Yes, Jonathan. But anyways, don't worry, we never give up in Ireland. Go, Jonathan. Oh. This one is a deadly laser. This is how I feel. I still cheat. You can't catch me. Hee. Got to silent this one again. Don't want to be copyrighted. Yes, I agree. Me trying to find perfect videos, and then you come. You have perfect videos. I love your videos. Oh, now I understand. Now us understand. I should check his show out. You need to check out JFA. If you don't, I will. Oop, yes. Perfect. Yes. Now I'm gonna find my favorite one. Here we go. Let's go. Here. Gotta silence it again, sorry. Go check this out for sound, okay? I don't want to get copyright striked. Not today. Anyways, I'll let you watch to see this, and bye!